Hello guys! Mag-swimming kami ni Ella. So, sobrang nainitan ngayon. Ayan, malaki na dyan ko guys. Ayan, nagdala kaming towel. Ayan, si Ella, binihisan ko na siya. So, kaya ito yung baon namin. Namaya ko ipapakita sa inyo. Excited na. So, may pool pala dito sa amin, sa baba. Sa ground floor.
Tita Phil, you're not going to picture in the forest again? You're walking? Exercise?
No. My exercise today is swimming. Okay? Are you excited? This is the first time you will use this one.
Yeah.
That's why you're so excited.
And which one?
Yeah, excited na siya. Hindi alam ng mami niya mag-swimming kami. It's secret only for your mommy and daddy, okay? But only be careful. So, yan. Hindi ako makapag-outfitan ng malupitan dahil preggy tayo, guys. Ang init-init kasi dito kami dumaan, guys, sa parking. Kasi shortcut. Shower muna sa Ella. Open. Ba't dito ka na? It's okay. Go there. Just wash your body. Ayan, shower. Okay na? Okay. Okay. Be careful, ah. Don't run. And ano only. Hello. Swim na. Swim. What happened? Yes? And guys, ihi daw siya. Be careful, ah. Don't run. It's slippery. I will wee also. Maligo. Maligam-gam yung tubig, guys. Ito parang ang fresh natin. What? At umihi, guys. Balik tayo sa pool. So, dyan pala yung bahay nung kaibigan namin. Dyan sa part na yan. So, yan guys. May mga baon tayo. Kain tayong chocolate. Chocolate is life. May ano din tayo. strawberry, sunfist, ito, orange. Thank you sa sponsor, Ate Shai. Sa orange, Mama Ben. At sa red apple, Ate Maria. Gusto nyo kami yung tumaba ni baby. Pero syempre, mas gusto ko yung chocolate. Mas gusto na baby ko yung chocolate. Ella, you don't want to eat? Ibaon din tayong drinks, guys. Ayun, kay Ella pala to. Nutella. May Nutella din tayo. Dutch Mill. Pero tubig iinumin natin. Hindi na ng camera ko. Ella, I will bring to you water, okay? Sarap na sarap siyang maligo, guys. Ngayon na ulit siya nakaligo. Siguro 1 month na mahigit. Pinagbabawalan siya maligo ng mangit daddy niya. Secret lang din namin yung sinabi. Saka syempre hindi ko nang pababayaan si Ella, diba? Sa Ella. Hi guys, kasi bago ako umalis doon, kumain muna ako ng kanin. Nagluto ako ng parang alam yung bulang lang. Parang bulang ng nagulay. Tapos nagluto ako isda. Tapos nilagay ko din yung isdang prito. Ah yeah, I forgot. Ah, you forgot also. Kain tayo, guys. Actually, ayoko na. Maasim kasi. Pero kailangan nilagay. Para siyang may lasang ibang prito. Ella, use this one. Ella. Ella.
akin na kung nakakain. Ay, doon pa nakakasarap. Doon, sa bigyan na.
So we are alone. Ella, tayo na lang dito sa pool. Ella, don't throw in the big water, in the big pool. Ayan naman dito. Ayan, may partner na si Ella, si Maxim. Nakita na, nainggit siya. Ha, oo. Wow! Ayan na, may kasama na siya maglaro. Si Maxim. Si Ate Misty. Si Ate Ganda. Ayaw! Aray, Ella, makakabasa ka! Ella! Maligo ka din. Iba-iba nalaglag sa kabila, malalim. Oh, my airplane. Eh, lalagot ka sa mami mo. What do you will say to your mommy?
Mommy.
Sorry.
Swimming. Swimming. Sorry, I do swimming with Tita sa Mommy.
Hi guys, dito kami. yung malalim. Diyan, banda dyan. Doon pang bata. Tapos dyan pang bata. Ito medyo malalim na konti. Pang relax din dito. Mga nagre-relax lang. Don't push. Just wait daw. What you will do now, Ella?
Float.
Marunong na
In
daw siya
the big
mag-float.
water.
Okay. Take relax. Wait. 1, 2, 3, go. Just relax. Yeah. And move your hands and feet. Diba guys? Marunong na siya. Tinuruan ko siya. Very good, Ella. So, what do you feel that you know how to float? So happy? You can survive in the water now. Again. Wait lang. Wait a minute. I will hold you first. 1, 2, 3, go. Guys, marunong na siya. Lampas yun sa kanya. Hanggang dibdib ko yung water. Oh, marunong siya floating. Nakakatuwa. Maxine! Go lang. Saan na nga sila dumating? Kung kailang tapos na kami. Yan na naman. Pahirapan sila sa paghuli kay Maxine. Oh no! Orange juice. You want chocolate?
Thank you.
Okay.
Itong board sa... Iwan mo na dyan mga sa bibisa.
Okay, so uwi na kami. Malamig na. Baka ubuhin yari ako sa nanay nito. Tinakas ko pa yan. Hindi alam ng nanay niya. What are you doing? What are you eating, Ella? Okay. Marunong ka lumangoy? Ang galing mo yung kita. Ay, hindi naman siya lampas dyan eh, no? Ay, nagpa-floating patara eh. Concern sa kanyang buhok, baka mag-dry. Dry na dahil sa kulay. Mag-ibana ka muna, Kate.
Uh-oh.
Drink na, it's okay. It's okay. Ligpit na natin, guys. Magalaw na yung baby ko. Siguro nalalamigan na siya. Uwi na tayo, guys. Mayayari tayo.
Bye-bye, guys. We will go next time.
Next time again.
Next time again. Goodbye. Think my mommy and daddy will get angry.
Okay. Let's go. Bring your put again on your arms. Guys, uwi na kami ni Ella. Ayan na si Ella. May bago ulit mag-swimming. Yung dalawa iniwan na namin. Let's go home.
Hungry naman. Very hungry naman.
Who?
Me?
Are you so hungry?
Can I eat in the house?
Yeah. You will eat fish, okay?
That one you cook?
Yeah, I cook fish and vegetables.
And that one you cook from the other day?
No, today.
Today?
In the afternoon only, I cook that one. Samahan nyo kami guys umuwi.
That one you cook not the fish.
I cook fish also and the vegetable. You're so hungry because too much swimming. You're so tired in swimming.
Yeah, I'm tired to do it.
Like that. And you know how to float. You're so happy. You know how already. What you will do in floating? What you will do in floating? Like that, like flying.
I can live, I can fly.
I can live, I can fly. You know that song, huh?
I can believe I can fly.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Andun doon sa kabila. Medyo malayo lang kaya dito kami dumadaan sa parking area. Yung parking dito hanggang 3rd floor. Puro parking lang siya. Be careful, Ella, ha?
Can you wipe me?
Huh?
Wipe.
Your face? Press na, Ella. Where's your hands going? This one.
You just have these.
I cannot see.
Cannot see.
Okay. Ella, are you happy? Did you? Tulog sana siya. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ate ko.